Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of a laptop stand from Leitz. It's a German company. I got the parcel, so let's open it. Here you can see the dot position point. Here you can remove the plastic strip that makes you easily open the box. So here, as you can see, very good packaging. So let's try to remove it. Okay, so there, yeah, here you can see the Leitz adjustable laptop stand for 13 to 17-inch laptops. So I ordered a black or silver kind of range gray. Let's open it. Here is the opening. Wow, so the packaging is good. So this is like foldable laptop stand that you can carry around, very lightweight. So that's all. There is nothing else we get in the packaging, but the design of the box is nice. It shows different kinds of design from the manufacturer Leitz. So you can see it's a German brand. So folding is magnetic, I guess. So yeah, where the hinges attach. Yeah, so there's nothing magnetic in it. As you can see here, the hinge is just attached. You just need to clip it on. So this is how the laptop will stand on it. And there is some packaging. Okay, nice. So this is the one that was coming. So here you can see a rubber pad and also enough space here for ventilation. So this is the laptop stand. Thank you for watching the video.